What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Trading Crypto. Today we're over Pangolin, which is down 8.6% at 48 cents, man. This thing has been on a slight decline here lately. We have been talking about the continuation pattern possibly forming on this from the last video. So we're kind of going to do a little bit of a dive in, see where the chart's at, what the strength looks like, what the market sentiment as a whole looks like for Pangolin. So with that, let's get into the price prediction and technical analysis on PNG. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's get into PNG here. So PNG on the day chart indicators are starting to fall a little bit here. The MACD is starting to lose its bullish momentum. The RSI actually is starting to tail back up, surprisingly. So that's kind of a little bit of a divergence we have going on there, with the WTX starting to tail down as well. The good part about this is with the chart is we did test this prior support or prior resistance flipped as support, and it did hold. So that actually happened on the 7th of May. So we are officially out of this downtrend that we've been in right now. We are putting in higher highs and higher lows. It technically reset right here. So you can say as of right now, we are in a bullish structure right now for Pangolin, especially because we just put in a higher high from our 5th of May high. So if you continue to think of it as bullish momentum, the bearish momentum's gone and we just flip bullish, we can use the indicators to kind of figure out where we might be heading to next. And where we might be heading to next here for PNG is as long as we hold support around this 48-49 cent area, which is the 786, we should bounce here and head up to a higher high, right? That's exactly what's been happening since the 1st of May. Higher high, higher low. So as long as we stay above 49 cents, I wouldn't be surprised at all if after that we started working our way back up to our prior highs, which comes at around 60 cents right here. And then obviously you go 75 to $1. Now, what I'm really interested in seeing here is the 4-hour time frame. See, the 4-hour time frame is looking really good. The 4-hour time frame short term is looking good. You're losing your bearish momentum on the 4-hour. Your RSI is almost reset here. And along with same with your WTX is starting to slow down and roll over. So short term is looking bullish, long term is looking slightly less bullish, but the short term normally tugs on the longer term. So what I mean by that is whatever is on the 1-hour chart usually rolls into the 2-hour chart, 3-hour chart, 4 or 5, so on and so forth. So the 4-hour charts are going to end up rolling into the day chart. And I think that momentum is what we're going to be looking for here, is a possible bounce off, that 49 cents, which we talked about, and then laddering our way higher. So PNG, in my personal opinion, is just doing the exact same thing that it did back here, right? You broke out of your downtrend right here. That broke out of your downtrend right here. You tested it and then you ran. So that's similar situation, just on a much larger time scale. Now, Pangolin, the all-time high it says here is 1885, and the all-time low is 1 cent. I think we can easily surpass that $18 PNG this bull run. And I mean, we talked about that every single video so far. It's actually, if you just pull the fib from this high to this low, you actually have a fib up here at about that $13 range, or yeah, 13. And then you have the larger one on oh shoot, on this scale here. Sorry about that. Let me pull it back up. This one actually brings it up to about 20 bucks, I believe. Yeah. So not a whole lot. Just keep an eye on some bullish momentum here for PNG. Bounce off the 786 from that point on, and then working our way up to around 75 and plus. I don't think we're gonna be falling much lower. Worst case scenario is probably 45, but I think the worst of the storm is already behind us. Now we can start talking about some more bullish momentum here for PNG. With that, none of this is financial advice, and if there's any coins you'd like me to chart, you can just send me a super chat in the comments and I'll get to your coin as soon as possible. Thank you.